Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this will be entry number 44, and it just says B Menzel. So let's see. We'll see who this is from. This is what it looks like on the back. I'm not going to show you the front. Well, actually I can show you the front. There you go. It looks like that. The cute little unicorn. Alright. Let's get this open, guys, because dinner is calling. Definitely got to get downstairs because I got something on the stove. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. Pretty liner in the inside. It looks just like the card. Uh-oh. Let's see. It says, happy birthday. It's so pretty. Purple. Oh, I love the iridescent. Look at all that. So cute. Alright, let's see who this is from. It says, Eileen, happy birthday. I hope your day was great. Sorry I'm late. Love ya, Bonnie. Bonnie, girl, you're not late. It says, also sending you a drink. LOL. Bonnie. Look at, that's what she means. Look at this. She sent me some cocktails. This one says happy hour. This is so perfect. I would love a nice tall glass of whatever this drink is. Thank you, Bonnie. Oh my gosh, see, you got here in time. Look at her beautiful bag topper. Ooh, ooh, she's got diamond dust on the butterflies. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Look at the butterfly wings. Can you guys see? I'm sorry. That is a gorgeous little topper too. It's got like that doily effect, you know. Okay, so I'm guessing all this is diamond dust inside. Wow, Bonnie, you made it. Yes, girly, yes. So cute. Thank you so much for joining. And look at what she did. She's got some gold stitching here. So pretty. And then she's got her flat back rhinestones on there. Pretty little gold touch. She did the crepe paper ruffles. Oh my gosh, love it. And then she added some of the Maggie Holmes heart trim, and she stitched it on there. Very cute. You guys see all the gold stitching going on there? And then she's got two little gorgeous butterflies. They're very well diamond dusted. So pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, I love dimension. Look at that. I will prop these up. So pretty. And then this is her back of the card. Gorgeous paper, girly. Love it. I love that. Okay, let's see what she's got for us in the card. And it says Bonnie Menzel, and her YouTube is Bonnie's Corner, and her Instagram is @BonnieMenzel. And her birthday is March 18th, and her favorite color is blue. And craft paper, favorite crafts, paper craft. She loves unicorns, and she's from Branson, Missouri. Girl, we need to have a drink. We need to have a drink. So pretty. You made it. Yes, Bonnie, yes. Branson is not too far away from me. So that would be awesome. Maybe one day we can grab our crafty ninja and head out to Branson and do a little teeny tiny meetup. You know what I mean? So thank you so much, Bonnie, for joining the fun, and good luck to you, hun. I'll see you all on the next video. Don't forget to check out her info in the description box below, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.